Have you ever tried to watch your favorite international show, only to see a message saying it's not available in your country? It can be frustrating when movies, sports, and TV series are restricted based on where you're located.
And this right here is the simple solution that millions use daily. It streamlines your workflow instantly, as shown in this graph.
Is ExpressVPN, one of the world's most trusted virtual private network services.
ExpressVPN helps protect your online privacy while giving you access to content from different regions.
With just a few clicks, you can connect to secure servers located around the world. This allows you to browse the internet with greater freedom and flexibility.
This allows you to browse the internet with greater freedom and flexibility.
This must be that new show from Korea. The cinematography is stunning.
It's lovely. I'm so glad we finally have access to all these.
ExpressVPN offers servers in numerous locations, giving you plenty of options to choose from.
Getting started is simple, even if you've never used a VPN before.
Download the app, sign in, and select a server location that fits your needs.
Within seconds, you're connected through an encrypted and secure network.
Your internet activity is protected with strong security and privacy features.
ExpressVPN is designed to be fast, helping reduce buffering and interruptions.
That means more time enjoying content and less time waiting for videos to load.
The service works across multiple devices, including smartphones, tablets, and computers.
You can even use it on compatible smart TVs and streaming devices.
Check this out. It's way easier to navigate than the old version. Wow, that is smooth.
Scene 20. One tap is often all it takes to connect and start browsing securely.
If privacy is important to you, ExpressVPN includes advanced security technology.
These features help keep your personal information protected while you're online.
Whether you're at home, traveling, or using public Wi-Fi, security matters.
The colors on that reef.
I've never seen anything like it.
Can we go there, Dad? Go back to that one. The documentary about the Amazon.
This one, it looks incredible.
ExpressVPN can help make that experience smoother and more accessible.
The setup process takes only a few minutes from start to finish.
You'll quickly see why ExpressVPN is consistently recommended by users worldwide.
Ready to enjoy international content with greater freedom and security?
Start your ExpressVPN journey today and experience a more open internet.
Click the link in the description now to get started with ExpressVPN and unlock a better online experience today.